Looking for some trendy fall nail designs to try at home? Check out this new nail art compilation using gel nail polish. In this video, we'll show you how to create 5 easy and stylish fall nail designs that are perfect for beginners. Here are the 5 trendy fall nail designs that you'll see in this video. Pumpkin spice latte nails, leopard print nails, plaid nails, matte black nails, metallic nails. We'll show you how to create each design step by step, so you can follow along easily. And we'll also give you some tips and tricks for making your gel manicures last longer. So grab your gel polishes and get ready to create some beautiful fall nails. Additional tips. If you're a beginner, start with a simple design and work your way up to more complex designs. Use a nail art brush or stickers to create your designs. Cure your gel polish thoroughly under a UV/LED lamp. Apply a top coat of gel polish to protect your designs. Have fun and enjoy your beautiful fall nails. Subscribe to the channel, there is more. Come on, and do not forget to share the video with your friends and family.